Is it officer? Is it your officer? You're the one with this.
Is this the man?
You're the one with this. Is it you're the one? You're the one with this.
Mr. Man, you are under arrest. Hey! I am Officer GK. You have to remain silent or whatever thing you say or do will be used against you in the court of law.
Officer,
move it.
Wait, that officer don't understand.
Oh, I know they talk too much. Follow am.
I've been here since morning. So wait till I can't do now. I can't follow you. They go station.
Mr. Man, move it.
I've not gone anywhere now. I've been here thinking about what to eat.
Okay, food is your problem. Don't have to worry because there we will feed you in the morning, we will feed you in the afternoon, and we will feed you even in the midnight. And we will even provide a well-furnished apartment for you to rest your head. So you don't have any excuse or whatsoever.
I know drag one. I know drags are not do anything. Put your handcuff.
Something ain't right. What's happening here now? No, it's not this guy. It's this guy. He just ran away. You guys
Prostitute your own. I beg, you just they come now. I beg, mind your business. You just they come. Never anything they happen. Don't put mouth. Don't say make them no. Say no. Man. Now you arrest. Now you be the officer. Officer will know how to do the job. I beg, watch yourself. Prisoners first.
It is shocking.
I hope you enjoy that Romeo video. Please subscribe. Thank you. We love you. Bye.